Welcome to Smart Updates, your trusted source for breaking headlines, global insights, and sharp analysis from around the world. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. I don't think people understand just how fast China can build a high-speed railway. The night was cold in Longyan, thick with diesel and anticipation. 30 workers in yellow hard hats stood ready under floodlights, facing a gap in the high-speed railway. The foreman's whistle pierced the night, and the site erupted into motion. Sparks flew as cutting tools sliced through steel. The noise a metallic scream. Soon, massive new track sections arrived, pre-assembled, ready to close the gap. A giant machine lowered each segment into place, workers guiding steel with astonishing accuracy. The operation was a midnight ballet, labor and machinery in perfect sync. By sunrise, the impossible would be reality. The first hour was demolition. Teams with plasma cutters and hydraulic jacks dismantled the old rails. Each group had a task: cut, lift, remove, all in seamless coordination. The site became a reverse assembly line, old track vanishing under the workers' relentless pace. By hour 3, the ground was a blank canvas, ready for transformation. A ballast regulator leveled the gravel bed to millimeter precision, guided by lasers. Perfection was non-negotiable. At 300 km/h, even a tiny flaw could be catastrophic. The 6th hour brought the most dramatic moment, the arrival of the first prefabricated track section. A custom vehicle delivered the 100-meter, multi-ton module. Crane operators, communicating by hand signals and radio, lowered it into place with surgical accuracy. Workers bolted the new rails to the old, creating a seamless connection. The process repeated, each module fitting perfectly, the line growing by the hour. In the final stretch, tamping machines packed ballast, and welding teams fused rails into a single, continuous ribbon. Every bolt, every weld, every measurement was checked and double-checked. As dawn approached, a test vehicle rolled over the new track. The foreman's whistle sounded again. The job was done. In just 12 hours, a new artery of China's rail network was open. The workers had turned a construction marathon into a sprint. The secret: planning, precision, and relentless teamwork. What once took weeks now took a single night. The world would soon marvel at what had been achieved. Longyan's step-by-step miracle was complete. The secret to this speed? Prefabrication. Instead of building track piece by piece on site, China assembled massive modules in factories, like snapping together Lego blocks. In controlled environments, rails, sleepers, and ballast were perfectly aligned and compacted. These modular units arrived ready to install, minimizing on-site work and maximizing quality. Engineers used advanced software to plan every detail, ensuring each module fits seamlessly. On construction night, there was no improvisation, just flawless execution. Workers became expert installers, not traditional builders. This modular approach slashed construction time and boosted safety. Disruption to existing rail service was minimal, a huge economic advantage. The Longyan project showcased the power of modular design to the world. It turned complex construction into efficient assembly. With smart planning, China accomplished in hours what once took months. The result: a revolution in railway building. China's method set a new global standard for speed and precision. The future of infrastructure was being built, one module at a time. Technology mattered, but the 30 workers were the heart of Longyan's success. Each was a specialist: welder, crane operator, surveyor, trained for months for this single night. They rehearsed every step, knowing not just their own roles but those of their teammates. Communication was silent. A nod, a glance, a hand signal. Trust ran deep, each move choreographed, each risk understood. Mistakes weren't an option, the stakes were too high. This was a new generation of Chinese labor, skilled, disciplined, and proud. They worked with focus and unity, fueled by hot tea and national pride. Their efficiency came from respect for the plan. No shortcuts, no improvisation. The plan was their greatest tool, crafted by engineers and executed with military precision. This discipline is a hallmark of China's infrastructure projects. The workers were more than laborers. They were the human engine of progress. Their teamwork turned a daunting challenge into a flawless performance. In a single night, they proved that human skill and discipline are as vital as any machine. The miracle of Longyan was powered by 30 minds working as one. Their legacy, a new standard for what's possible in construction. The human element remains the most important factor of all. Technology was the backbone of Longyan's achievement. Specialized machines, from GPS-guided cranes to automated welding robots, transformed the site. The track-laying machine, operated like a cockpit, placed modules with millimeter accuracy. Welding robots fused rails into seamless ribbons, eliminating human error. Drones and 3D scanners mapped the site before work began, creating a digital blueprint. Workers used laser levels and GPS locators to ensure perfect alignment. Every step was data-driven, removing guesswork from the process. Even communication was digital. Every worker and machine linked in real time. The project manager monitored everything from a command center, solving problems instantly. This digital nervous system kept the operation running smoothly. If an issue arose, it was fixed in seconds, not hours. The combination of heavy machinery, robotics, and digital oversight made the 12-hour feat possible. Precision wasn't just a goal, it was a requirement. For high-speed rail, there's no room for error. At Longyan, technology and teamwork fused into a new model for construction. News of Longyan's 12-hour connection stunned Japan, the birthplace of high-speed rail. Japanese engineers, long the global standard, watched in disbelief as China achieved the impossible. Prefabrication wasn't new, but China's scale and speed were unprecedented. The student had become the master, challenging Japan's dominance. Japanese media and experts voiced concern. Was Japan falling behind? China's rapid, cost-effective methods contrasted with Japan's slower, more expensive projects. The shock forced Japan to reflect on its own practices and future. The balance of power in high-speed rail had shifted. Longyan was a wake-up call. The world was watching, and China was now leading. Longyan's new link was just one piece of China's vast high-speed rail network. These lines have shrunk the country, turning day-long journeys into hours. Business people, students, and families now travel with unprecedented ease. Holidays are less chaotic, and travel is more comfortable and predictable. The economic impact is huge, connecting major cities with developing regions, boosting investment and tourism. Factories ship goods faster, and rural areas see new opportunities. High-speed rail is a tool for economic growth and reducing inequality. For many, it's a symbol of national pride and progress. Riding a 300-kilometer H train is a tangible sign of China's modernization. The Longyan project reinforced this pride, proof that the nation could achieve the extraordinary. The new railways are more than steel. They're the backbone of a new China. Longyan's 12-hour feat was also a message to the world. China aims to export its railway expertise globally as part of the Belt and Road Initiative. The goal: connect continents with Chinese-built railways, faster and cheaper than anyone else. In the global race for high-speed rail contracts, China now rivals Japan, Germany, and France. China's pitch-rapid construction, low costs, and attractive financing. The Longyan story is a powerful marketing tool, proof of unmatched speed and efficiency. Yet, challenges remain, concerns over quality, maintenance, and political influence. Competing nations emphasize long-term partnerships and local training. Still, China's model is winning contracts from Indonesia to Laos. Longyan's success is hard to argue with. Real-world proof of capability. As China pushes its railway diplomacy, the world is watching. The race for global connectivity is on. The tracks to a new era are being laid, fast. Longyan's story is a glimpse into the future of infrastructure. As cities grow, fast, efficient transport is essential. High-speed trains offer energy-efficient, high-capacity travel. The Longyan project proved that building this future can be swift and minimally disruptive. Prefabrication and digital tools will soon shape not just railways, but bridges and cities. The synergy of human skill and smart machines will define 21st century engineering. Imagine a world where high-speed trains connect continents in a day. This is the vision Longyan is building toward. A greener, more connected, more equal future. The sun rose over Longyan to reveal a new railway, built built overnight by 30 pioneers. They connected not just tracks but past a future. Their work is a testament to ingenuity, teamwork, and relentless progress. The quiet hum of the first train was the sound of the future arriving. The tracks to tomorrow are being laid today, faster than ever before.